Maintain a safe distance from the median. Position your vehicle properly before starting the maneuver. This will give you enough space to turn safely. Activate your left turn signal to alert other drivers. Always signal early so drivers behind you understand your intention. Slow down and stop when your shoulder is aligned with the end of the median. This reference point helps you position the vehicle correctly before making the turn. Use your rearview mirror and side mirrors to check for approaching traffic from behind. Make sure no vehicles are trying to pass you or approaching too quickly. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. Prepare the vehicle for a smooth turning movement. Check traffic coming from the other road users. Look both ways and make sure the road is clear before starting your turn. Begin your turn only if it is safe to do so. Move slowly and stay aware of vehicles, cyclists, or pedestrians nearby. Don't look straight ahead while turning. Instead, focus on your turning path. Look at the gap between your car and the median and adjust your steering based on that space. This helps keep your vehicle at a safe distance and prevents hitting the curb or crossing the lane. Important rules to remember. A U-turn is not allowed when a no U-turn sign is displayed. Always obey posted traffic signs. A U-turn is also prohibited across two parallel solid dividing lines. These lines indicate the crossing is not allowed. You must not make a U-turn across a single solid line if it is on the left side of a broken line. These markings control when vehicles are allowed to cross lanes. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to John Driving School for more practical driving tutorials. Drive smart, and see you in the next lesson.